tryna get my hair right. Why the hell you asking what's wrong with me and you not in my business? She told me she's sorry, she wanna party. See her face but hard, baby, chop up in the car seat. Plug it behind now with this bitch like it's a car meet. My little bro been trim, still catching beats just like he Cardi. She ain't had no ass, she got with me.
I found your gimbal.
Oh yeah, see that hoe?
I think it's dead.
Probably. What are you doing today?
He's in tightening up sway bars. There's a car meet today. So
Let's hear this. I want to hear
this thing's ready to go. I think the key's in it. I can file it up for you guys. And I might have to adjust two-step a little bit. Let me adjust two-step right quick.
All right, hold up. We'll be back.
5 hours later.
Say what? You ready?
You think we ready?
Hold on.
Oh shit, fuel pump.
Eventually.
Jesus Christ.
God. Oh my. Okay. That's fucking retarded. What the fuck? Oh, my ears.
That is what you call Draco Doom.
That fucking hurt, dude. What the fuck we got going on? Got a whole performance shop going on up in this bitch.
Literally, you want your shit work on? Wing it here.
Oh my god, dude. How many? 1, 2. What the fuck are you doing to your car, huh?
Dude, the sway bar is live.
Man, fuck this sway bar.
Look at this shit, dude.
It's not tight in
Look
here.
around. Look at life.
Let me shoot you.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
It's breakfast time. I don't even know where this came from. Where I go?
Hey, it's not tight in me, man.
Eli's retarded. My turbo took a shit. My turbo took a shit. It was slow either way. It was slow.
Couldn't even go like 55 mile an hour. My shit was overheating because how slow you were.
And then these retards. Oh, look at the foot check. Hold up. Look. What the fuck are you wearing?
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
You look goofy. Go back to Florida, boy. You look goofy as shit.
Yeah, he works here.
Get your ass on, boy.
You look so goofy.
Later.
buy a
boy.
top mount turbo manifold for $100.
You ain't buying shit because you don't got no fucking money.
Or drift into a wall.
It's a fucking drag strip. If you slip into the wall, you got a problem. You just
on the
gotta
way
drive.
here.
You literally you don't make enough power to spin out on a drag
what
strip.
happened was I thought I could pass on a hill.
Don't lie, you just can't drive.
No, I thought I could pass on a hill.
You just can't drive.
And a car came out of nowhere. Okay, so I yanked it back to the other lane and we were sideways, but call me a pro drifter because I had this shit under control.
Oh yeah.
You know? A Honda that did that
Yeah,
one.
Honda. Like this one too. Yeah, this one was doing it bad when I was behind you guys earlier. It used to be a turbo.
I got a Blister B20. Those guys probably don't fuck around.
Yeah, he's got some shit that's gapping. Huh? This mother, you're a thief.
Holy shit, dude. Dallas.
is a gay bitch.
5 subscribers, by the way.
A whole 5. Whole
They're good
5. But it gets like 400 views, so it's
On a
okay.
GoPro.
That's okay.
That's
all right.
Crazy.
It's alright.
How many subscribers do you have?
Yeah, 20.
I don't know. I have a YouTube channel.
Oh no. It's got like 3.
It's never been posted on, but I have a YouTube channel.
Well, yeah.
Look at this unit.
Daddy's money.
There's no
Cheap ass wheel cleaner, man.
What the fuck?
Dude, don't buy O'Reilly's wheel cleaner. man.
O'Reilly's wheel.
Don't buy O'Reilly's wheel cleaner.
We had to scrub that shit down and it did not work.
Pressure washer.
It did not work at all.
Daddy's money. You see this shit?
Look at it, Jay.
It's
fine.
Dude, it looks like I fucking whipped my.
That's why I said it looks like I fucking just jizzed all over it.
It's fine.
Let's come up. Look, it's not that impressive if you look back there, but you look up here and you got that. Oh,
My lord. Stop.
oh hey. What's this fucking thing doing here?
See the fucking Domino's? Yeah, he works at Domino's.
Just put the fucking pizza in the. Yeah, just put the pizza in the box. Pizza. Well, technically, I guess it would be put the pizza on the porch.
Just deliver the pizza. Just drop the pizza off. Yeah, just drop it. Just to look for the pizza.
Better now, sir.
Nice little EG.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I'm getting some fucking drinks.
Fast.
It's hot as fuck, dude. It's like 90 degrees on it.
It's pretty fucking.
I didn't really think about it, and I'm fucking dressed and I knew it was gonna be hot, so I put a bra on. Nice.
Fucking yeah.
Nice. Looks good on you. We got Crown. Yeah. Crown Customs pop up there. Like that. That was cool. It's like right here.
It's not gonna be there.
It's not gonna be there. Wait.
It might be.
Wait. It's gonna be there, right?
Perchance.
It's hot as balls.
You're Spider-Man. I'm Spider-Man. Are you Spider-Man?
Let's talk somebody into hitting the drag strip and getting some live footage.
I'll hit it if you pay it.
How much is it?
I don't know.
I'll pay for it if you hit it.
Yeah, I hit it if you pay for it.
Whoa.
Hey, whoa.
Whoa.
Hold on.
I'll show you guys.
Shit starts adding up. Okay.
Oh, God.
Yeah, it's like $100.
Piece of shit. Is that here? Right here.
Sure. Sure. Something like that. This is alright. Yeah, it's pretty clean.
This one's parked over there.
How is that in gold law?
That's a good question. It's like FP all over again. What the?
How did that get approved?
How did I get approved over here?
Is that Jay Kelly? Oh my god. GFP giveaway winner? Oh my god. Where's that at? It's right here. Oh. Yeah.
Red Bull gives you wings.
Why aren't you flying yet?
I don't have wings. So I think
me neither.
I got scammed.
Me too. Go steal something out of there.
I'm gonna go drink it.
Ugly ass motherfuckers.
Say that shit to my face.
I just did.
Turn the camera around.
Yeah.
I can't even see, so I don't know.
Nah.
You guys tell me. He looks more goofy.
Definitely them. Look at him. It looks like he's fucking be controlling traffic. I just came home.
We control the traffic.
You just came home from McDonald's.
I didn't even go to McDonald's.
Broke ass boy.
I went to go get some free
$12 an hour. Damn it.
Oh my.
$12 an hour, man. Where you at?
Yeah.
McDonald's.
Oh.
Yeah, go put the fries in the bag, little bro.
Flipping burgers, bro. Flipping them burgers. The fries in the bag. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's what's gonna happen.
Yeah. Is this a stock Cummins, you think? Or do you think it at least got a 2G swap?
No, it's not. 100%.
For sure stock. I mean, it sounds stock.
Sounds stock. Why? Is it stock?
Is it stock? No. I think it is. Tune deleted. That's about it. Tune.
Wait.
T and D.
Wait. Downpipe at 2? Downpipe at 2? That guy. That thing's fucking.
Hell yeah. Thank you, dude. This is
Yeah.
fucking
Coming back. You got pissed off with
stock Cummins.
He's a hazy son of a bitch. He's a hazy son, baby. Oh my god, yeah, now, yeah.
Thanks, stalkers shit.
It's smoking going down the road.
Yeah, because it needs a better tune.
It needs head gas.
It needs a Draco tune.
Yeah.
Mustangs aren't supposed to smoke like that. Those are.
Mine doesn't smoke like that.
Yeah,
What are you
at
talking?
Draco,
What are you
get at
talking?
me.
What are you
Get at
talking
me.
about?
Downpipe tune.
What are we doing?
Downpipe
Oh yeah,
tune.
Draco tune.
Draco tune. Get at me.
He
Only Hondas though.
he does very shitty work. I mean,
yeah.
very good work.
Yeah. Yeah. Pop up the clip. Let's pop up the clip.
It's right there. Yeah, it was right there. You see
Yep,
it?
you see that?
You guys see it? Yeah.
Let me take it down the street. That was this car over here.
Fuck no. She's gonna fucking send a rod through the
It
goddamn.
was like,
Hold on.
wait, downpipe it tune. Downpipe and tune.
Oh yeah. That's money, dude.
Yeah, it is.
Draco tuned.
Vouch reacts.
Seriously, be ready. No, hold on.
Hamden, hey! Holy shit.
Hold on, here comes.
Where's Sage? What a fucking pussy.
Dude, he's got the laptop.
Civic with a laptop.
What we're saying is the Honda is about to explode.
AK-47.
You can't let that show you up.
Come on.
Hold on, just give him a second.
We're downloading dude. Downloading dude.
Come on, Drake.
Dude, that thing's loud.
Log up.
I don't care what you guys do. Have fun. Stay that side of the fence. If they bitch at me, I got
God damn.
Got it. Downpipe two.
How did you do that? Like, what do you do?
Don't worry about it.
I want to learn how to tune my shit. Come,
Just
he
go on
says.
TikTok.
Nut. Oh my god.
Oh, that's a 6-7.
Why did it sound kind of good at idle?
It sounds like it's a chopping.
Oh god.
Eyeball ditch. Yeah, HP.
That sounds rough.
I didn't know if you had to go in and like change your limiter.
You do. So cut delay. That's like more aggressive. So we do 200.
What, 200?
Tuning with
Just straight
Draco.
200 delay, 200 milliseconds.
Yeah.
And then it's set at like fast ass sturgeon.
Look at this fucking thing, dude. What do you think about that?
I think a Honda would gap it.
I think you're smoking dick.
That bitch is dusting the Honda just the first.
Shut the fuck up.
Where's your car?
Oh, yeah.
Sold it.
Oh yeah, where's
Sold it.
Hey, look,
I
see
sold
mine.
it. Mine didn't even blow up. I
See
just
mine
sold
over
it.
there.
But it was broken. 'Cause you couldn't fix it.
Dude, they damn near fixed that shit right in my front yard. They drove that bitch on the trailer.
Probably.
I would have too.
No, probably they did.
I would have. I could have fixed it. I just didn't want to.
Dude, I even paid you $20 to fix it. That's some hoe ass.
You got the wrong part. I told you to get a master cylinder and you got a slave cylinder.
I got that. Dude, you literally went with me to have it.
No, I didn't. Don't put me in your mistakes.
Look at this fucking power stroke.
Jesus Christ.
It's taller than Drake.
Oh my god. I think it's big as fuck.
I hate you. Hope you fucking
Yeah, you know.
Now we're talking. Look at this thing right
No,
here.
no, 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 no.
No. Oh, this one? This one? Oh, really? Really? I didn't know it was turbo. Get your ass boy.
All right.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it is.
Wait.
Oh my god. What? Oh my god.
Dallas Macintosh.
Where at?
Look at all the trucks lining up for the dry
Where are the burnouts?
eye. Where are the fucking burnouts? The apple. Hey, I think I know this guy.
Dude, this guy?
I think I know him.
He's not even here.
Where's he at?
I don't know. It's like the fourth
It's
time.
like Slowfo 6.
It's like the fourth time.
It's like Slowfo 6, but slow fab. Slosh fab.
Fucking idiot.
Oh look, there he is.
Look, he's right there. What's this guy doing, huh? All these trucks lining up for the burnouts.
Hang on, let's get our predictions in. First two, who do you think's win? I think farm truck.
I'm thinking farm truck too.
Out of these two, I'm thinking
I can't really see
the
the other
Duramax.
ones.
These two is probably the third gen, and that one definitely the third gen. Because
I
that's
think
the one that was
that's what
parked right here. So definitely that one. That thing makes 1,200 horse.
Hirsch Purge. 1200 Hirsch Purge. Dallas, are you racing or what,
Are
buddy?
you racing or what?
No.
Are you doing a burnout?
Maybe.
He said he's doing a burnout.
Fucking turbo, man. It can't be any maybes. It's got to be a yes or a no.
I hear a cam.
I do hear a fat ass cam. That thing's kind of tight.
Very factual
I'm
statement.
just gonna stand up here.
I just want to see a fucking burnout, man.
We have 3 cars over there we can sit on.
This is true.
And then you can't really see over here.
What you looking at? Oh my god, isn't that is that Jaden Kelly? Oh my god. It was getting gapped. Oh, low key, hold on. I think they both had something bad happen.
Oh no! All
Well, it's-
neutrals.
Well, it's still running.
There goes the tranny, son. He was just complaining about that.
And he still raced it.
Damn.
Awesome.
Said better call a tow truck.
Better got a dope.
Did you see the way that Duramax took off though?
Did
I
you
think
see
they're both
that
broke.
thing take off?
I think they're both broke. Third gen tranny, go bye bye.
You needed to race. Do that to your transmission. So then you can call Randy's transmission. You've reached Randy's transmission.
You're rich. You're just loaded.
Yeah, you're a big boy. Peterbilt working motherfucker.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
What? Yeah, probably. That's like his 5th. Unless he broke a drive shaft.
No, we would have heard that.
Oh, he's got hangover. U-bolts.
Oh fuck.
Oh my god. Oh shit. Get back in. That was Chase.
Yo,
Jesus
that Duramax was kind of moving.
That was Chase. He's compound turbos. That's the guy that runs this place. Not this place, but runs this.
Yeah.
Jesus
Holy
fucking
burnout.
Christ.
Oh my god, dude.
It's like a turbo Honda not getting traction. That's a fast Duramax. So that's a Reese.
Put a 4.3 in it. You gotta let me do the 4.5.
Maybe the second.
Fuck that. Why would I give you that motor and trans is worth fucking 10 times that truck?
I gave you the cock for it all.
Listen,
How it sit.
I tell you what, you let us make our down payment today, and you can do the first burnout. I got a bottle. Holy shit.
Got waxed.
Oh man.
No, those are There's 2 of them there, buddy.
I'm either tweaking or something flew off of the.
Something definitely flew off of that.
Those sounded pretty fucking wicked.
Did you see the convertible cut off F-250?
Cameraman, filming, cameraman?
Oh my god,
no way.
Make it big.
You're gonna make it so big.
Cab off in the parking lot.
Guys, these are the worst burnouts I have seen ever.
I gotta stand back a little bit. You're like
Full
cam.
the
I'm
worst
backing up.
burnouts. Last year was the shit.
You're lucky to get it.
Don't know what happened.
fuck you looking at?
It was pretty cool.
I want to do a burnout. Yeah, oh yeah.
Come on, do a burnout, Dallas.
Yeah, that was the burnout. Maybe.
Keep saying maybe. He's never doing it.
We need more taters.
Huh?
We need more taters.
Yeah, where are the taters at?
Taters.
I know there's some fucking here, dude. Now this truck's cammed out, so it better lay a hand.
Listen, we started off good and then we ended bad.
I mean, at least it sounds kind of rowdy.
Good. Sounds rowdy, but then
Oh, look
it's
who
not.
it is. It's the Caden Shaw.
Hi. Wow.
Wow. Wow.
Wait. This should be pretty rowdy. Watch your fat.
No, it's a C7.
Yeah. Damn it. Damn it.
I told him I'd bring stocks, but
I don't need stocks. I'm not a
you'll race it, but you won't do a burnout.
I couldn't imagine owning a GM product and being
That's what I'm
scared of it
saying.
breaking.
Yeah.
I'm disappointed.
You even had the fucking workers yelling, scared. That's pride. He was here earlier and he was just letting him fucking eat. off at the right time. That's a tater, man.
Money for Dallas to go out there.
Why doesn't he just fucking go do it? Oh, the tater.
You go on a G56 or you're just gonna do another
48, full manual out body.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Come on.
Oh. Hold on now.
Ethan West.
That's exactly who
I mean, hell yeah. What a fucking guy, Scooch. Hold on, I gotta get. I need to be able to go over there. West. Doing a backwards turn now.
How's he gonna get out?
Baby.
Here went reverse.
Or not. Fuck. That would have been cool.
Well,
He's
I can't
pissed.
even tell if he's spinning or if he's just.
He's pissed.
She ain't spinning. She still got it, bro. Kinda. Sorta.
He used to put it right up against the fucking block and just fucking let it
How does that works with a full manual out body?
I wonder if it's just a fucking torque converter.
Sounds like.
It wouldn't have reverse if it was converted. It wouldn't have any.
What is it? D50? D57. What do you think about this?
Not too bad. Not too shabby.
Hayden Mitzi? Who the fuck is that?
Who the fuck is that guy?
That was
really terrible water on your tires.
that was kind of shit.
This is second burnout.
I know this fucking one can do it better. This one's automatic, so I know.
That one was an automatic, dude.
Yeah, it's just a driver mod.
It was also
He was,
not white.
we don't even have to say it.
Now
This is Braxton. It's a scat. It might let it down. Seriously, it is. It's his name. Braxton.
I think shit's fast.
Hey, chill it out.
Hit it, bro.
Come on. No, he's fucking bored. Fuck it, blow it up. Fuck it.
A little bit of cool.
You want a souvenir? Hell yeah.
That's a souvenir, buddy. Get a light on that, man. Yeah. Fuck yeah.
Yo, what the fuck?
Oh boy, fucking, he just got his ass lit by that coolant. Look at him running. Look at him running. Oh boy, taking the pants off.
Another Cummins down, goddamn it.
Tater got tater.
Ford fucking Ranger. You're not here.
Where are you at? Look at that fucking thing.
Yeah.
You just hold it. What it's like. Ranger's the only one holding up. Holding up.
What do you think about the Ranger? Huh? He's pissed.
What I just seen before that wasn't impressive at all.
No.
That was alright. That was alright. Only because it was clean. It was pretty clean.
Damn.
Yep. The first gens are holding it down.
Come on, keep her going, pussy.
Huh? Bro's got traction control on.
Can we pop up his app right here?
Is that blue up, yeah?